Hi, I'm Margaret. We're making Madeira cake today. This has a lovely vanilla flavour and a beautifully rich texture. While we're baking today, I'll give you some ideas of how we can switch up the flavour too. Then you can make your Madeira suit your own flavour cravings. So let's bake. And like many cakes, we start with the butter and caster sugar and cream the two together. A little extra time at this stage will make all the difference to the final cake. So when you think it's done, give it another couple of minutes and just think how light and tender that final cake will be. It should now be perfectly smooth. Yep, that's looking good. Now this is where we add the vanilla. You could also add some lemon zest or some orange zest to give your cake an extra little zing. Then you'd get that lovely citrus flavour. The eggs go in one by one, and each one is fully mixed before we add the next. And there goes the final egg. Don't forget to scrape down the sides to get all those ingredients thoroughly together. I'm using milk today, but you could substitute this with lemon or orange juice if you preferred a citrus cake. Now this is the opportunity to get mixing and to give those ingredients a really thorough mix. The more you mix, the lighter your cake will be. Now a Madeira cake has more flour than your regular sponge, so I'm adding an extra 60 grams of plain flour. You could substitute that plain flour with ground almonds. That would make a beautifully almond flavour and a gorgeous texture to your cake. And if I was going to do this, I would also substitute the vanilla extract for almond extract to give that extra almond boost. The flour is of course gently folded to keep that light, fluffy texture. And as soon as the flour disappears, we stop immediately. And into the prepared tin. Now this cake needs to be cooked for about 55 minutes. And I find with cakes that are cooked for quite so long, sometimes the top can get a little bit more brown than you'd like. To prevent this, after about the first 45 minutes, I have a little look, and if it's already reached the right colour, I'll pop in a little bit of buttered foil just on the surface to stop it catching. Leave it to cool completely, then it's ready to decorate. I've chosen vanilla buttercream and sprinkles today. If you made the citrus or the almond flavoured Madeira, you could use icing flavoured with the same ingredients and decorate as you wish. Perhaps you've got ideas for other flavours too. If you have, let me know in the comments. I'd love to read them. But I think it's time for a slice now, don't you? So while I put the kettle on, I must thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed my video, consider giving it a like, leave a comment. And if you'd like to see more of my makes and bakes, why not subscribe? I have a new recipe out every Monday, and a short comes out every Thursday. So bye for now, take care, and I'll catch you soon.